Voices rise in the heart of night. No sleigh bells, no cheer, just whispers low. The Yule fire burns with an ancient glow. The star on the tree casts an eerie gleam. Under its watch we chase the dream. Hail the night, the longest Noel, where frost and embers weave their spell. Deck the halls with fire and song. This Yuletide feast is fierce and strong. The rider comes with a knowing grin, bringing tales of a world within. The wreath on the door is woven with care, echoes of legends carried by air. The bells of the season ring deep and clear, a melody bold, unbound by fear. Hail the night, the longest Noel, where frost and embers weave their spell. Deck the halls with fire and song. This Yuletide feast is fierce and strong. Beneath the sky, let voices remain. Raise your hands to the midnight star. The holiday call, her near and far. Hail the night, the longest Noel, where frost and embers weave their spell. Deck the halls with fire and song. This Yuletide feast is fierce and strong. On this winter night, the solstice calls a timeless echo through hallowed halls. Merry Christmas!